I'm driving into the build this morning. I know the roofing crew is already here working on it. When we left yesterday, at the end of the day, it was actually dark, but we had taken a break to go up here and look at what they'd done. Very impressive. They're going to be finishing up today. I brought some bagels for them just to say thank you, because they've been up here working. The weather has been, today it was 25 degrees this morning. It was the same thing yesterday. It'll be about 60 in the afternoon, so it'll be a nice, beautiful day. But they've been working in all kinds of conditions to get this done, and I truly appreciate it. I want to make sure they know that. See the wrap that they did. Japan has been agonizing over the color choices on every little piece of this house, and she's very happy with the way this turned out. That gray roof really pops. Coming on in here and taking a look at the setup for the wood stove. Alright, I need to get up there real quick. Man, I gotta tell you, this is one of the best things I've seen up here in a long time. Well, as you can tell, the day is ended. I am up here taking a look at what was done with my house. Man, that's pretty. Look at that roof. All the trim is done up there. Now I just need to get the siding on here and this place will pop. Step around back here and see what it looks like. Whoo! Would you look at that? Man. Man, that looks good. My God. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Yeah. I feel really good about the decision to use this group. Greg and his guys did a heck of a job for me. And I have a roof now. I mean, oh, I wish it had been a month or two ago, but I've got a roof now. I don't even know. It doesn't even look like the same place. God, if I could just hustle up and get some siding on this thing. Looks like I got my work cut out for me over the next few weeks. We're gonna have to kick it into overdrive. Whoo, pretty day. Forgot to turn the camera on when I got up here earlier this morning. I had somebody point out to me, actually a viewer, pointed out that they put the flashing up against the Tyvek. And just like the windows, you want to have it flash to the wall, and then you want to have the Tyvek come down over top of it. So what I have done is cut the Tyvek back. I'm using Zip Systems tape. I really like that stuff. I just put my first layer of flashing on it. I'm going to double the tape up and take it up a little bit higher. I'm going to go ahead and pressure seal it with the roller first. This is the first roller I bought and got it at the paint store. I don't know what it's designed for. QLT by Marshalltown. I do not recommend this roller. This is a soft handle. I bent it the first time I used it, so I immediately went back home, and that night I ordered a steel one off of Amazon. That one did great. This is the only one I could put my hands on this morning, so it's gonna have to do. But for any long-term task, you're going to be real frustrated because if you bear down on it, you can see I've already curved it, so it's got a little wicked curve to the handle. If you're going to be using a J roller, you want to make sure that it's got a handle on it that's stout enough it's not going to bend. Since I get a lot of questions from people on where I got different items and what those items are, I'll put a link to the Zip Systems tape and to the roller that I found that had a good hard steel handle to it. Put that in the description down below. Easy peasy. I just got to do the other side now. We have come a long way,
And we are by no means done. But every once in a while, you have to stop, look back and take stock of where you are and how you got there.